go over something that, you know, I think everybody should have during the wintertime. This is a car windshield snow cover, and here in the Southeast we don't get a lot of snow, but it does snow here. What we get more than anything is ice, and I have came out and my windshield has had a 1/2 inch thick of sheet of ice out here because the moisture level gets so high here and the temperatures drop. It will rain or it'll sleet and then it freezes solid. And what I had to look for was something that would take care of like sleet, snow, or ice or something like that. And what I had come across was one of these snow covers. And let me just take it out of the package here. Number one, it is very tightly packaged in there. And looking over it here, you can see how it works. Basically, you just lay down flat on the window, you insert around the mirrors, and then you lock the buckles on. And there are little magnets that help suck it down to the car. This thing is super cool. And looking over the back of it, you get 2 choices in size. You get the 62-inch, a 65-inch large or the standard, and then width is 49.6 as far as standard, and then the large is 49 point. So I got the large because I'm going to have it on my van. So let's just open this thing up and see what it looks like. The material feels like it's got ripstop nylon on the top, and then the back feels like kind of like a burlap. Very interesting. And then it has right there, oh, that goes around the camera. Oh, check that out. And if you're like a lot of people and you set your car the road or the sidewalk, close to the sidewalk, it actually has yellow reflectors for that. That's awesome. That's like a extra layer of safety on that. And then what's this thing right here? Oh, this is the bag that it holds in. I see that. So once you're not using it, you just stick it down in that bag. So you can feel the magnet right there. That's going to help hold it down. And then these go around the rearview mirrors. And then this will connect to the side. So a hard wind or something, it doesn't blow off. So let me go ahead and set this thing up on my van over here. And let's see how it looks. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just installed it on my windshield on my van here. I want y'all to check this out. Number one, it was very easy to install. You pretty much just throw it out like this, and there's magnets like inside of here. I don't know if you can hear the magnets in there, but there's magnets that hold it on the top. These little flaps will close inside the door. So you open the door and then you close these in, and that's what holds that top piece in. You run this around the rear view, the side mirrors, and it's got a cool stripe. Check that out. It's got a reflective like striping on it with a high vis tape. So if you're parked on the side of the road, it lets you, it just gives other drivers time to see your mirrors right there. This comes around, and they said hook it on your tire, but you could probably hook it here. You can wrap it around, so that's connected to the tire, and that holds the front down. Once again, there's magnets right here, but my van's so big, these don't really contact, but it covers my entire windshield up. And same way on this side, flap goes inside the door on both the front and back. So you're not going to get those frozen solid because everything freezes here in the Southeast. Not so much snow, but I get tired of dealing with ice. And this is going to remedy that. I'm going to be using this all winter. When I know it's going to be bad the next day, I'm just going to come out. Took me 5 seconds to put this on, and that 5 seconds could save you 45 minutes the next day when you're ready to go to work and go out, when you're sitting here scraping your windshield, or you're burning $10 in gas trying to melt your defroster, melting down your windows, or your windshield wipers are frozen solid or covered up with snow right there, and you could see that. And then check out how easy it is to take this thing off. You pull that off, pull that one out, open the door, it slides off. There you go, everybody. Super simple, very easy to take on and off. A very affordable item that could save you tons of time and make your life way better. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the windshield snow and ice cover. See y'all in the next video. Woo!